The Wind in the Willows is a children's novel by Kenneth Grahame, which tells the adventures of four beloved characters: the mole, the rat, the toad, and the badger. This extract on the river is from the beginning of the book, where the mole and the rat meet for the first time. On the river, the mole had been working very hard all the morning, spring cleaning his little home. First with brooms, then with dusters, then with a brush and a pail of whitewash. But then he had to stop as his back started aching and his arms became tired. Spring was in the air. Mole wanted to enjoy the season. He bolted out of the house and moved up the tunnel into the sunlight. He then rolled in the warm grass of a great meadow. "This is fine," he said to himself. "This is better than whitewashing." Here and there through the meadows he moved busily. Everywhere he found birds building, flowers blooming, everything happy and busy. As he roamed aimlessly, suddenly he stood by the edge of a river. The mole had never seen a river before. He was fascinated. As he sat on the grass and looked across the river, he noticed a dark hole in the bank opposite, just above the water. He began to think what a nice snug home it would be for an animal like him. As he was watching, something bright and small seemed to twinkle. Then, as he looked again, it winked at him. Then the mole noticed a brown little round face with whiskers, small neat ears, and thick silky hair. It was a twinkle in its eye that at first caught his notice. It was the water rat. "Hello, mole," said the water rat. "Hello, rat," said the mole. "Would you like to come over?" asked the rat. "I would love to, but how do I cross the river?" replied the mole. The rat said nothing. He stooped and untied a rope and then lightly stepped into a little boat which the mole had not observed. The mole liked it at once, even though he did not yet fully understand its use. The rat rowed and reached the other side. Then he helped the mole to step inside the boat. "This has been a wonderful day," said the mole, as the rat started rowing again. "Do you know, I have never been in a boat before." "What?" cried the rat. "Never been in a... Well, what have you been doing then?" "Is it so nice?" asked the mole shyly, as he leaned back in his seat and felt the boat move lightly under him. "Nice is the only thing," said the water rat. "Believe me, my young friend, there is nothing, absolutely nothing, as simply messing about in boats. Simply messing," he went on dreamily. "Messing about in boats. Messing." "Look ahead, rat!" cried the mole suddenly. It was too late. The boat struck the bank and tilted. The joyous oarsman lay on his back at the bottom of the boat, his heels in the air.